Hi, welcome to the Adsense Newbie Orientation webinar. I'd like to give you a brief overview of Adsense. Google Adsense is an easy and effective way for publishers to monetize their web properties by displaying relevant, unobtrusive ads on their content pages. Let's take a look at today's agenda. I'll show you how to access and work with the different sections in your account, display ads on your site, and other important things you'll come across when working with your Adsense account. On this slide, I'll explain some of the terms that you'll come across while working with Adsense. You can always find these terms in the glossary section in the Help Center. Cost per click, or CPC. The CPC is the amount an advertiser pays each time a user clicks on his or her ad. Google AdWords has a CPC pricing system. Cost per 1,000 impressions, or CPM. The CPM is the amount an advertiser pays for every 1,000 times a user views his ad and an impression is recorded. CTR, or click-through rate. This is the number of ad clicks divided by the number of impressions for the page of ads that appears when a link unit is clicked. Ad unit. This is a set of ads that are displayed as a result of one piece of the Adsense ad code. Moving on, let me explain the different sections in your account. On the overview page, you'll be able to see a snapshot of your earnings for a particular period or a particular product. On the Adsense Setup page, here you'll see the different kinds of Adsense products that you can implement on your site. For example, Adsense for content, Adsense for search, and so on. On the My Account page, you'll see a summary of your earnings and payments for a particular period, as well as a payment schedule calendar. You can choose to view the summary for the last 7 days, 3 months, 12 months, all time, or since your last payment. On the Resources page, you'll find all our online resources to improve your experience with Adsense. Through this page, you can view help articles, participate in discussions with other publishers, learn how to optimize your ad performance, read up on program policies, and much more. The Reports page lets you view detailed statistics about your ad performance. You can choose to view reports based on date range, ad format, channels, and product. Now, let's talk about how you can start showing Google Ads on your site. As a first step, sign into your account and choose the Adsense Setup tab. On the Get Ads page, click the Adsense for Content link to create a standard Google ad unit. Next, select the ad type. Now, since you'll be creating a standard ad unit, choose the Add Unit radio button. To enable the widest selection of ads to display on your pages, leave the drop-down set to Text and Image Ads by default. Now, take a moment to customize your ads so they'll match the look and feel of your site. Select the size you'd like from one of our different ad formats, keeping in mind that larger and wider ad units tend to perform better. Next, select colors for your ads. You choose one of our predefined color palettes, or you could create one of your own. You can view a sample of how the ads will look based on the colors you've selected. And you might want to review some tips at our Help Center on choosing colors. If you're interested in tracking the performance of your ad unit, you can add a channel. Channels provide more granular reports for the performance of specific ad units. If you do not wish to create a channel yet, you can skip this step by clicking Continue. Next, you will be prompted to name your Adsense ad unit. This will allow you to change the appearance or settings of your ad easily through your account in the future, so select a name that will allow you to easily identify this unit later. For more information about this feature, please check out our Managing Your Ads guide. Finally, we'll provide you with the ad code for your Adsense ad unit. Click anywhere inside the gray box to select the code, then right-click and select Copy. You can now paste the code into the HTML source code of your site. For details and more assistance on adding the ad code, we recommend you review the code implementation guide available at our Help Center. Now, these are some of the main ad formats you can choose to show on your site. You can place up to 3 standard ad units, 3 link units, and 2 search boxes on a page. For help with implementing the code, please visit our Help Center. How do you generate earnings with Adsense? With Adsense for Content, you'll display Google Ads on your site. These ads can be either cost per click, known as CPC, or cost per 1,000 impressions, known as CPM ads. For CPC ads, you'll generate earnings when your user clicks on the ad. For CPM ads, you'll generate earnings in your account every time the ad appears on your site. Please remember that publishers are not allowed to click on ads appearing on their own sites. This is against our program policies. The Payments Guide flowchart. Here, we have illustrated how our payment system works. Once you have updated your mailing address and generated $10 or more in earnings, you'll see certain holes in your account. After you have removed these holes and earned $100, you will be paid out in the next available payment cycle. For more information about a payments-related webinar, please be sure to check our webinar page on the Help Center. Now, here are a few links on the topics we have covered today. You can also find more information on Adsense in the Help Center by clicking on the link on the top right-hand corner of the Adsense login page. With this, we come to the end of this webinar. We hope you found this session informative and useful. Thank you.